Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the hottest topic in gaming, the Nintendo Switch 2. Specifically, we're going to dissect the latest leaks surrounding its potential price. Buckle up, because this is going to be wild. Now, before we get into the juicy details, a disclaimer. These are just rumors and leaks. Nothing is official until Nintendo themselves make an announcement. But hey, that's what makes this so exciting, right? So, what are these leaks telling us? Well, the internet is buzzing with talk of a potential price range. Some sources suggest a starting price around $400, which would be a significant jump from the original Switch. Others are whispering about a possible $450–500 price point, potentially even higher with a bundled game like Mario Kart 9. Now, this has got everyone talking. Is the Switch 2 worth that kind of price tag? It's a tough question. On one hand, we're likely looking at a significant upgrade in power and features. 4K gaming, maybe even a more powerful processor. These are exciting prospects. But on the other hand, that price point puts it in direct competition with more powerful consoles like the PlayStation 5 and the Steam Deck, which offer a different kind of gaming experience. The gaming community is definitely divided on these potential prices. Some fans are saying, bring it on. They're excited about the potential for a more powerful console and are willing to pay the premium. Others are expressing concern, worried that the price might alienate a portion of the Switch's core audience. And let's be honest, there are some hilarious memes circulating about how we're all going to have to sell our souls to afford this thing. Ultimately, only time will tell what the actual price of the Nintendo Switch 2 will be. But these leaks give us a glimpse into what might be possible. Whether you're excited or apprehensive, one thing's for sure. The anticipation is building. What do you guys think? Are these prices reasonable? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming news and updates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.